Laura Jane Clark, who is best known for her role as an architect on BBC Two's show Your Home Made Perfect, decided to move back to Scotland with her family. The TV expert explained she lost out on a property purchase despite her plan to regenerate the local area. The award-winning architect has a wealth of experience in design and architecture and opted to buy a pub with her husband Kevin Smith. The BBC star was left absolutely gutted after losing out on the property and decided to move back to Glasgow. "We wanted to find somewhere and there was an old pub that had been derelict for several years," she explained. "We tried to put together a business proposal to buy the place, do it up, put some houses in the top floor and use some of the profit from that to redevelop the pub and the basement to create a community cinema." She continued, "It was all very philanthropic and I was super proud of the proposals and we put our bid in and we were outbid by some estate agent. I was absolutely gutted." The architect said they decided to live in London was becoming unaffordable and so moved back to Glasgow. Laura Jane and her other half were born in Scotland and had always planned to return home. "This pub is still derelict," she shared. "It still has all the lovely ceramic tiles and it's a beautiful thing. It kind of breaks my heart really. I think the flats are empty." She went on, "I just wanted to do something a bit different in property development. Do something really nice. I think that was why. I was like, there is no way we can afford to be here anymore." The TV star is no stranger to renovation after converting abandoned public toilets in London into flats. The architect spent more than £60,000 transforming the toilet in Crystal Palace, South London, to create a one-bedroom flat. She commented, "The toilets were a bit of a fluke but finding places in Glasgow was a lot easier. I'm from Scotland anyway and my husband is. The plan was to always go back eventually but that was the straw that broke the camel's back. The pub is still empty. It's just profit over regeneration and that really breaks my heart." Meanwhile, the TV star has reason to celebrate ahead of the release of her new offering The Handbook of Home Design. The book offers room plans, case studies and practical tips to regenerate and revitalize your home without it costing a fortune. The Handbook of Home Design will be published on March 21 and aims to provide readers with architectural solutions and designs to maximize the space in your homes. Laura Jane also offers practical tips and tricks to help you create the home of your dreams and wants readers to feel a little bit more in control. "I'm always about small things making big differences," she explained. "It's not about starting at £100,000. Maybe you only have £30,000 to do a few bits and bobs." She added, "I want people to feel empowered and not overwhelmed. Get a design they really want and that they deserve with their budget." The Handbook of Home Design, an architect's blueprint for shaping your home is available to pre-order now.
melted.